You know, I'm beginning to think it doesn't matter how much I have in an account. If it's in there, I'll find a way to freaking lose it. So, what exactly do I mean by that? Well, let's rewind. Rewind back to Sunday evening. Sunday night, I had an awesome night going. Two of the accounts I made like $400 and $500 in them. I put them away. I started on my big account. Big account meaning had been traded 15 days, 16 days, had $4,500 in it. A payout was requested on Friday in it. Um, and I torched it. I found a way to lose all of that Sunday night. So it was probably like the eighth or ninth account that I have had fully past the drawdown, ready for a payout, had ample amounts of money in the account, and still found a way to freaking lose it. And this should be a lesson to myself of I am nowhere near ready for a cash account. If I find a way to lose $4,500 virtual dollars, imagine what I would do with real greenbacks. So I guess it all has really to do with my narrative on the day. Friday going into Sunday. I was sure we were going to sell off Sunday. Um, this, this six o'clock or so finds the bottom, pops back up, gets rejected by VWAP. It's a fundamental thing that I missed here, and that is the double bottom here. Well, I get short anticipating the fall off. Well, we didn't freaking fall off. And then I doubled down, tripled down, quadrupled down on it, and well, you see what the rest of the night did nothing but go up. So that's a quick way to lose money. Is tripling down on when you're wrong is a very quick way to demolish anything. And I wasn't going to see fit until it was all gone. And say that is disappointing is an understatement, but yeah, I know. Again, that's probably like 8 or 9 accounts. I could go back in there and look. I don't want to. That would probably make me sick because it clearly says approval or denial, and then beside denial, it'll say blown. And I know there's at least 8 or 9 of them in there that are like that. And if we're doing some math, that's at least 16 grand or more of money that I have just given back. That hurts to even say that out loud. That hurts. Um, so I took yesterday off from making a video. Um, I've been busy. Russ has been busy in the workshop. We have been putting in work. Um, this is the new 300K account that I truly finished in one day. One day from whatever that is, 1:30 till now, and it's done. So this a little different approach too. A little different approach to starting it. That is 30 contracts right here. And I scaled out 5 as it went, or 2 and 5 as it went up. So this was like a $9,000, again, it's an E-valve, but it's an incredibly hard E-valve to pass. So this was a $9,000 trade to get my feet wet, and then I went back to scalping 5 and 10 contracts, 8 ticks at a time to finish it out. And yeah, so truly done in one day. I'm kind of proud of that. Let's see if I can freaking hang on to it this time. Let's see if I can actually make it materialize and become something awesome instead of just, hey, I passed another eval. Because quite frankly, I'm getting tired of passing evals and then spinning my wheels once I get them into funded territory. I want to grow this one, grow it into a mighty oak. We'll no more trading in the out of hours, Russ Miller. Jesus Christ. No trading in the after hours. Only trade when you can. There's a very specific method to my madness, and it requires speed. It requires the speed. So y'all know when you've seen in the movies and you see like a polygraph machine and it's just sitting there writing. Well, that's like what the 150 tick chart does. When you put it on a 150 tick and you watch it in the mornings or in the app, it is so sporadic. It's just sitting there writing. Well, that is where I thrive at. That is where I make my magic happen. I don't you don't get that very much in the out of hours sessions, the European session, the Asian session. So when it's not sporadic like that, and it's not sitting there ticking back and forth like that, um, I am left to my own devices. I am left to, well, is this going up or down, right? And when I get left to make a choice, a lot of times that is wrong. So it's much easier for me to read when the market is doing what the market does, moving. It has to move for me to be able to capitalize on it. Uh, anyway, so the P&L for today. I have Big Bertha already marked here. She's ready to go for tomorrow. I accomplished one 150K account yesterday, so today was the first day of me trading it. I cracked off 1673 in it. I unlocked another 150K account today. The first day trading it will be tomorrow. And then I made 741 in this account to get it over the $2,600 threshold and 218 to add to this account that's already over the threshold. So 2633 on the day. It's a pretty solid day for me. I will take that. Um, and now I just got to keep going forward. Keep the magic happening. Stay. So another thing about the Asian session, I am really good right when it opens. That first 5 minute to 10 minute window when the Asian session opens, I'm pretty freaking good at that. Um, I, I'm pretty freaking lucky at that, if I'm being probably honest with myself. It's just a counter trend trade that I take that seems to work, and I'm pretty good at it. So after that first 10 minutes, I don't need to touch it anymore. Like, stay out of the market after that, right? So, yeah, it's just a constant progression, a constant evolve progression for me in trading. I've gotten a lot better. I've got a long way to go. Um, yeah, and we'll see what I am able to do now that I am starting kind of over on a clean slate again. Um, yeah, and that's all I got. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't already, you need to hit the like button. Take care. See you next time.